Student, here I am going to show you one more program with scroll bar. I will take vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar simultaneously. So let me take one more form here. So how to take, I told you, I can go to the project menu and I can do, this is very simple, or I can right click here and can choose add and form. Fine students. So this is your form number 2 where I want to do the new program. I am going to say you the question, just wait. Let me active this form. Let me active this form. See, I have to do it form 2 so that when I run, the form number 2 will run. Fine. Okay. The form number 2 is what I want to do, you see students. What I want to do, I will show you. Okay. So I will take 2 scroll bar. My motto of doing this program is to take 2 scroll bar. So one I took here, what scroll bar? Horizontal scroll bar, and one more I am taking here, vertical scroll bar, students. Fine. Vertical scroll bar, students. Okay. Just a second. Okay, fine. So now what is my motto? Now when I will drag this scroll bar, this one or this one, so the image which is appearing here will automatically change its width as well as the height. Dragging this will change the width and dragging this will change the height. So let me take an image. So student, there are 2 image control on your toolbox. That is, one is picture box and one is image. So picture box is little outdated, students, already I taught you. So let's do with image today. Okay. So image, I am taking the image. See, the image control is coming. So I am keeping the image here. Fine. The way we have used the picture box, same way only we can do this image box also, but this is more attractive or more nice, student. Okay. Now let it be size of the image like this. So what the thing now I need to do, let me save the program. Okay, form 2. So form 2. Okay. So now what I want to do, when I will load the program, when my program will load, now see, if I am loading, nothing is coming, no image, nothing is coming. So here also no coding I specify, so by dragging also nothing it is doing. Fine. So now what I want to do, students, when I will load the form, it means when I will run the program, there will be an image at first, there will be an image here. So what I will do, I will double click on the form to bring the form load method. Fine. In form load method, I have to write the coding to appear the image in that place. Fine, students. So what is the image control name? First you check image 1. Fine, image 1. So now here you need to write image 1, image 1 dot picture, same coding as we wrote previously with picture box. Picture, load picture, bracket, here you have to give the path. Fine, students. So the path we need to copy. We need to copy from computer. So go to computer where you have photo and all. You just take a photograph from there. You just take a photograph from there. Fine, students. Just a minute, let me check. The pictures gone. Any picture I can take, but nothing is showing. No image is showing. Yes, here sample picture is showing. So from here I am taking any picture, suppose this one, students. So now I am just copying the path from here. Already I taught you before, image 9, and the extension is JPEG. So I can paste here the path and giving slash, I have to write here img9 and dot JPG. Okay, let's check whether the image is coming or not. Yes, the image is coming, but the image size is very big. We have set it very small here, but image size is very big. So what you have to do, selecting this image, you have to go down to check the stretch properties. See, there is a stretch properties here. You have to make it to true. Remember this concept. This is very important. So now see the image size is small. Now I have to write the coding to enlarge the image. So what I need to do, you please see, I have to set first the minimum and maximum value for these two. Minimum and maximum value for these two. Fine, students. So the minimum and maximum value, how you will know that what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value? So check here what is the minimum value. Just clicking on this, you check the minimum value. What is the height of this? 735. Height of this scroll bar is 735, students. Fine. And width is what? Width is what? Check the width. Yes, 735. Fine. So 735 is the minimum size. Okay, minimum width and minimum height. So how you can specify? Go to form load by double clicking on this. Now you write it here that HScroll, try to understand the concept. HScroll 1 dot minimum value is what? 735. Same way VScroll 1 dot minimum value is 735. Fine, students. Same way, now let's go to the program and check for maximum value. So maximum, how long you want to do maximum? You want to make the maximum till this. Okay, till this. You try in your computer, as much as you wish to give, you can give. So now check what is the width and what is the height. So you check here the width. Check the width of the picture. Width is how much? 5175. Width is how much, students? 5175. So who is going to do width for you? This one. Horizontal scroll bar maximum is 5175. Okay, let's write first. We'll forget else. 5175. So horizontal scroll bar, the maximum value is 5175. Understood why I am doing like this? Because it will look perfect. Now check the height of this. Height we will specify for this maximum value. So check the height. 5535. Fine, students. So go there and specify here v scroll 1 dot max equal to what I forget. How much it was? 5535. Yes. So you need to specify here 5535. Understood? So this is the default value we specified in form load, students. Till yet the program not started. I just gave the minimum value and maximum value. Now come back to the object. Now double click on this. So this is horizontal scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar is responsible to increase the size in width. To increase the size in width. So you have to write here image 1 dot width. Image 1 dot width. Image 1 dot width is responsible with whom, or attached with whom? HScroll bar's value. Whatever the value you specify for HScroll bar, that is horizontal scroll bar, same will be applicable as the width of the image. Fine. So let's check. If you wish to check, you check. See the width is how much. Understood, students, how it is working? So this is what the thing can be done. Okay. So now what we need to do, width we specified here, then we can specify the height for it. So height, you double click here, and same thing you just write image 1 dot height equal to v scroll bar. Now you have to write v scroll 1 dot value. Fine. So check now how it is working. This is the original, this is the default size. Why it is coming small at first? Because we wrote here default load method. Whatever you wrote in load method, that will be the default specification, students. Now you check, it's coming, but when I am dragging it is not coming. So I will do for that. See, understood, students? Let's do with scroll. So what you need to do, just keep here and clicking on scroll. So just copy the entire thing and paste here. Fine. This is for scroll. Scroll means if you drag, that time also it will work.